YouTube, welcome back to another episode, the second upload of the day from DJ Soul Agenda. Again, I'm DJ with my beautiful wife right here.
Hey everyone.
As you guys see by the thumbnail, we got another shoe for y'all that I caught. I'll go ahead and speak to this. Lately, I've been getting shoes and you haven't. Now, it ain't because, I'm not buying them for her. That dang on sure ain't the reason. She just don't be getting them. She doesn't want them. What do you think? What's up with that?
That's not true.
Okay, well, I'm speaking for her then. I guess I'm wrong. You didn't know about them?
I did know about them.
Through me?
Well, I didn't know about these shoes.
Mm-hmm.
See, let's be honest. So, he tells me after the fact about these shoes that you're about to see. He comes upstairs. Baby, guess what I bought? I'm like, what? Oh, I got these, I got the so-and-so shoes. Okay, cool. Let me see what they look like. I didn't even know they was coming out. I just happened to click on my Twitter and then I seen that they dropped. Oh, okay. But he didn't tell me until after the fact. Which was, they're already gone.
I don't even know if you had access to them.
So how was I supposed to get them?
Well, you have to have had access to it on Nike.
Well, okay, there you go.
I don't know if you did or not.
There you go. Well, I don't know.
I didn't even know.
I wouldn't know because you didn't tell me until after the fact.
This is true.
And he's supposed to be my best friend, y'all.
I am your best friend. I mean, you hate.
I don't know.
This shade, man. This shade. Ladies
and gentlemen,
the Air Jordan 1 mid. Well, everybody's calling it the band. But there you have it. There's your tag. Air Jordan 1 mid band in the bread colorway.
Yeah, so this is cool.
I think it's hot. I think this is hot. Like, here's what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. So you got the Air Jordan 1 High OG or High. That's like 600 plus, at least. Especially since what's that movie? What's the TV show came out? The documentary, the Jordan documentary, The Last Dance. Mm-hmm. Yeah, especially since that. Man, let me tell you, there's about 600 plus, easy. Well, they dropped these mids in the black and the bread colorway. This is a must cop for me. Like I was saying, it was on a Nike app. Well, at least it could have been on Nike website too, but it's on a Nike, not the sneakers, but my Nike app. I had exclusive access on there, and that's how I bought these. So I was excited, and I was excited to get these because this is saving me so much money from having to not have to go buy the highs. And I'm good with mids. Like, I don't care about the thing is with people mids versus highs. I don't know. I guess each his own, but to me, I'm good with the mids. I don't have a problem with
a
lot of the mids are dope. Yeah,
they sold out super quick though.
These did sell out quick.
Once people got wind of it, they was gone.
Those who had access. If you didn't have access, then obviously you couldn't get them. I think they're coming back out again for people. I just don't know when. I heard that they was coming back out for someone, for maybe in store. I don't know, but it'll be available again for people. How or when, I don't have the information. But yeah, man, this is just a it's just your standard. It's just your, you got your mid tone, with the Air Nike Jordan Air on there, the Jordan with the Air, and then of course you got your bread colorway. Now everybody should know the difference between this and the high is obviously there's one more shoelace. There's one more shoelace, right? Hole. I mean, one more shoelace hole. If that's missing, but as this part right here, where the shoestrings are, only this part right here. 1, 2, 3. Where these three are, on the high, this is black. It's black. Everything else is the same. So what I've seen a lot of people doing is they're coloring this red, black right here. This little part they're coloring it black. Take the laces out, color it black. Boom, looks just like the high bread band.
So if you have on the right
they
band,
actually calling this band.
So if you having the right pants,
breads.
nobody be able to tell.
Nope. They're actually calling these breads the because it's bread. You guys know what I'm talking about when I say band and bread. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's what they call them, the bands. I'm telling you, man, this looks good to me. This was a must cop. I think for most people, this is a must cop. It's probably a must cop. I would think it has to be, unless you are now. For people who already have the highs, they probably will get this too, just to beat up, maybe. They just to beat up or give their highs a break. I can see them doing it for this reason. But for people like me who do not have those highs, this is king right here for me until one day something happens and I get the highs. But super clean shoe, man. I like mids. Some mids have better quality than I've seen on some highs. That's a true statement. Different color blockings, etc. So, like I said, I like this one. Of course, I got the Chicago ones back there too, with the black toe. I got them too, and those are mids as well.
These?
Yeah, you can grab one. We can compare them. Man, we can actually compare them. So here is the Chicago black toe mid, and here's the Chicago band bread. So this would be the high top Chicago, the high top bread. What's the difference between them again? A high top on the band, this red strip right here is black on the high top. On the high top Chicago, that toe box is white. The toe box is white, but everything else is the same. So you can paint that white, boom, and the tongue. Of course, the tongue. This is not on there. That's on every mid. You can't do nothing about that. But who would care about that anyway? But if you paint that white, boom, then you have Chicago 1 mid. That's what this is called anyway. White toe, black toe, Chicago black toes. So, like I say, between these two mids, I mean, I think that this is pretty cool. I saved a lot of. I'm telling you honestly, I feel like I saved a lot of money because the resale on the highs is ridiculous, and I am perfectly happy with this. Me personally, I'm good. Like I probably won't even paint the thing on here because see, I haven't done this, but I haven't worn it either. You see how tight they wrap them up. Look how tight they wrap them up with the laces. Jesus. But I'm good with these. Like I have no. I mean, right? What you think? Like it makes sense, right? Like my thing is, it's not too much of a difference. I can show them. I can pull out a high. Actually, I do have a high. Can you put that one away? I'm gonna show y'all. I have a high right next to me. The last video I just did. The Japan. So let's just look at that. Let's just look at something for real quick. Let's put it together. All right, so then y'all can see, the back. It's the difference between a mid and a high, right? You can see the back. There's a little bit more exposure to the Nike swoosh. See how it's low profile? The black, it should be more. Well, no, that would be the gray. Yeah, it should be more. See how? Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. The black part, yeah, it should be more. The Nike swoosh is red, so the red on the Nike swoosh versus the silver. Look at the silver, and then look at the white part up there. So you can see on the what's the difference between a high and a mid in the back, right? Now, if you look at it on the side, give me.
You need more hands.
Yeah, I know. I need to be kind of squidward. Let me see your shoe, please. So, what I can show you with the highs and the mids on here is you look at the eye. Look what I was telling you about the different holes. See, there's the extra one right there that you don't get on the mid. See that? I hope y'all can see that. That's the difference there. But other than that, I mean, that's it. That's the difference between the two. That's the difference between that. But like I say, I saved a lot of money getting this shoe. And the other one, wherever I did with it. Oh, you put it up already?
You told me to.
Okay, cool. Appreciate you. You're so awesome. What do you got to say about it? You've been quiet this video. What you bailing out on me?
I'm just listening to you talk.
You bailing out on me, aren't you? That's okay. I'm going to remember that.
Go ahead.
All right, y'all. So look, that's it for this. I'm not going to go, I don't want to drag it out. The Air Jordan 1 mid bread colorway, the band. Appreciate it. It was like $115 plus the shipping, on the Nike account. So I think they're gonna come back out again, so you can be able to get your shot or get one as well. But anyway, what we got coming for y'all? So we got 2 more videos coming up for you guys. We're gonna upload them tomorrow, which will be Monday, whatever date. What's Monday? What's tomorrow? I don't even know what today is. What is today? 20 something?
Tomorrow, baby, is the 23rd.
23rd. All right, so tomorrow the 23rd, I'm gonna try to get the turdunkins. I'm going for those. The turdunkins. I'm going for those. Maybe I might just add another L to my name, because that's probably how it's gonna work out on the sneakers app. But we got some shoes coming in. She has her shoe. She got early access video coming of the Jordan 11 Jubilee. She hit. She got them. They'll be here tomorrow. I got a shoe coming in tomorrow. The Adidas Atmos Bape. That video come too. So we do 2 more videos. We'll record 2 more videos tomorrow for y'all, and then we'll get them uploaded.
Stay tuned if you want to see.
Please
hit that bell button if you want to be alerted when we do create our content. Download it. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, and you leave a comment down below.
Right.
You know, if you have anything to say, we comment back.
That's right.
Let's have a discussion.
I'm gonna try to do better about getting my videos uploaded a little bit faster. Just, you guys know, we're family and work, so we get tired too. But we're gonna stick with it, y'all. We in this for the long haul, so we're gonna be here. Nevertheless, and now we're not just buying shoes to put up on YouTube. It just happened that we got the shoes, so it's like, why not put the YouTube video? Because trust me, we ain't making no money off of this. It's just what we like.
At least not yet.
Right. Well, we're trying to get to 100 subs. Right now we have like 69. We're trying to get to 100, so I need you to help us. And I need your friends and your friends and friends of friends and everybody else to share these videos. Subscribe. Just subscribe. It ain't costing you nothing. It don't cost you guys nothing. Just subscribe, and we'll put the content out there for you. Promise. All right.
We see y'all watching, so
yeah, we definitely. I appreciate that.
If you like us, we appreciate everything. You know.
Yeah, I gotta deal with her.
What you mean?
In my videos. I'm just joking. I like when you in my videos.
No, you don't.
I do. You know that. That's why I always ask. I won't do them without her. I'm like, babe, I gotta do a video. It's my best friend. What can I say?
I don't know, y'all. He got these without me. He didn't even tell me. So it's up for debate. So if you don't see me in the next video, you're going to know why.
You will be in the next video.
I'm just joking.
Nah, she good.
All right, y'all.
All right, so gang, I appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a good day. See y'all tomorrow for the next 2 uploads.
All right.
Peace out.
See you in the next one.